Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to transfer your XRP from Uphold to Zaman in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies like XRP, you know how important it is to move your assets securely between wallets. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free, even if you're new to this. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Zaman. If you haven't already, download the Zaman app from your device's app store and create a wallet. Once that's done, open your Uphold app or website and log in. You'll need to navigate to your XRP holdings. Look for the Assets or Portfolio section. Next, head over to Zaman and generate your wallet address. This is crucial because it's where your XRP will end up. In Zaman, go to the Wallet Overview, select XRP, and copy the address. Double-check it to avoid any errors. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back in Uphold, find the Withdrawal option. Select XRP from your assets, then choose Withdraw or Send. Paste the Zaman wallet address into the destination field. You'll also need to enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which are usually minimal for XRP. Before you confirm, review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and any fees displayed. Once you're sure, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XRP to appear in your Zaman wallet, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, verify the balance in Zaman to ensure everything went smoothly. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely transferred. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your private keys safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.